How to add YouTube subscribe account widget iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the App Store application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the search icon. In the search bar, type in the name of the application you want to download. For example, YouTube Subscribers Widget. From the results, select the subscribe account for YouTube app as shown. As you can see, this app is already downloaded on your phone. Tap on Open to open the app. Now, go back to your home screen. Over here, long press on any empty area of the home screen until the icons start to wiggle and a minus sign appears on each app icon. Go to the top left corner and tap on Edit. Then, tap on Add Widget. Here, scroll down and select Subscribe account for YouTube as shown. Swipe to view and choose the layout that you want and then tap on Add Widget. You have now successfully added this widget to the home screen. Following these steps, you can easily add YouTube subscribe account widget iPhone.